Okay, let's hear from Anna, a life sciences major and enrolled member of the Woody Island tribes. Her journey to SKC started with an unexpected decision and led to a passion for dentistry, cutting-edge research, and student leadership. From remote learning to state-of-the-art labs right here on campus, Anna is now on track to become a dentist. All yours, Anna. Take it away.
Thanks for that kind introduction, Alex. As an enrolled member of the Woody Island tribe up in Alaska, I had a pretty normal childhood. I mostly grew up in Palmer, and I always knew that I wanted to help people. But college wasn't really my first choice until I enrolled into the dental assistant training program. That experience changed everything. Through that program, I discovered a field that blends science, creativity, and service. I fell in love with dentistry. It's a perfect fusion of what I value for healing, learning, and artistic precision. After researching the tribal schools, I returned to look at SKC. It's the only tribal college that offers a bachelor's degree covering both pre-dental and pre-medicine requirements. With cutting-edge technology like digital scanning and 3D printing, the program trains dental assistants to play a bigger role in patient care. This includes hands-on opportunities to make dental appliances. The small class sizes and supportive faculty at SKC make a huge difference. My organic chemistry class had just 5 students. That level of attention is not common, especially for undergraduates. Here, professors know your name and care about your growth. Even though I joined SKC through the remote dental assistant training program, I've grown to love Northwestern Montana and its community. I've served 2 years on our student senate, including as president, helped out with the food box program, and played with rescue dogs at the local shelter. These experiences helped me grow both as a leader and a future healthcare provider. Now, as I prepare to apply for dental school, the journey hasn't stopped. But SKC has given me the foundation upon which to build. I've built confidence, purpose, and a vision for my future at this institution. And I've done so by living by the quote, "The greatest failure in life is to not try." Thanks. Back to you, Alex.
Thank you, Anna, for sharing your inspiring path from Alaska to SKC and onward. Your dedication to becoming a healthcare professional and a leader reflects the spirit of SKC. With your courage, curiosity, and drive, we know you're gonna make an amazing dentist. Keep it up, Anna.